How to fix QuickBooks Error 6147. 5 quick solutions. Solution 1. Update QuickBooks. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 2. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 4. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 5. When you're ready, go to Update Now, select the Reset Update checkbox, and click on Get Updates. Step 6. QuickBooks will start downloading the updates. Step 7. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Solution 2. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it in your system, download and install it from the official website. Step 3. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 4. Then select Run QuickBooks File Doctor, and it can take up to a minute to open the File Doctor. Step 5. If the file doesn't open automatically, select your company file from the drop-down menu or click on Browse. Step 6. Select Check Your File option and click on Continue. Step 7. Enter the user ID and password when prompted and click Continue. Step 8. QuickBooks Tool Hub will take a while to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 9. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 3. Rename QuickBooks Company File. Step 1. Locate and open the folder where you have saved the company file. Step 2. Right-click on the company file and select Rename. Step 3. If the file name is too long, rename the file and save it. Step 4. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 4. Rename.ND and .tlg files. Step 1. First, open the folder that contains the company file. Step 2. Now, look for the company file .nd extension and right-click on it and select Rename. Step 3. Rename the company file to .nd.old, then press Enter to save these changes. Step 4. Next, choose the .tlg file and rename it the same way as you did .nd file. Step 5. Open the QuickBooks company file and check if the issue has been resolved. Solution 5. Copy QuickBooks files to the desktop and restore. Step 1. Open the folder that has your company file. Step 2. Find the file with .qbw extension. Step 3. Right-click on the file and select Copy. Step 4. Now, go to the desktop, right-click anywhere and select Paste. Step 5. Next, hold down the Control key and open QuickBooks. This will open the No Company Open window. Step 6. Select Open or restore an existing company. Step 7. Then go to your desktop and open the company file. Step 8. If you still get the error, you need to restore a backup copy. To do this, go to the File menu. Step 9. Select Open or Restore Company and then restore a backup copy and click Next. Step 10. Now, select Local Backup and then Next. Step 11. Locate your backup company file with the .qbb extension and click Open. Step 12. Select a folder where to save the restored company file, then select Open. Step 13. Click Next, and you'll see that the file has changed from QBB to QBW. Step 14. Select a folder on the desktop to save the restored company file and then click on Save. Step 15. It will take a while to restore the file. Once done, check whether the issue is fixed. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.